In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce Authenticator for MFA logins for both Lightning Experience and Salesforce Classic. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything you need, starting with downloading the appropriate app on your phone. Depending on your device, simply head over to the App Store if you're on iOS or Google Play if you're using an Android. Search for Salesforce Authenticator and install the app on your mobile device. This will be essential for the upcoming steps. Once you have the app downloaded, the next step is to log into your Salesforce account. Go to your computer and log in as you usually do. You want to access your personal settings, so once you're logged in, click on your avatar or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. If you're using the Lightning Experience, you'll see Settings. If you're on Salesforce Classic, look for My Settings. Once in Settings, navigate to either Advanced User Details or head to My Personal Information and find Advanced User Details there. Now that we've reached the settings, let's start the connection process between Salesforce and your Authenticator app. Under the section App Registration, you'll find Salesforce Authenticator. Click on the Connect button to get started. To ensure your Salesforce account remains secure, the system will now need to verify your identity. Be on the lookout for a verification code, which will be sent to your registered email. Enter this code promptly, and then click on the Verify button to continue. With verification complete, it's time to switch over to your phone. Open the Salesforce Authenticator app that you previously downloaded. Once the app is launched, tap on Add Account. Here, the app will generate a unique two-word phrase. This is crucial for the next step as it establishes the connection between your Salesforce account and the app. Now go back to your Salesforce account on your computer. You'll need to carefully enter the two-word phrase that appeared on your Authenticator app into the space provided in Salesforce and then click Connect. Pro tip, double-check the phrase for accuracy to avoid any issues. And that's it. Once you've entered the phrase and clicked Connect, you should see a confirmation. Your Salesforce account is now securely linked with the Salesforce Authenticator app, providing an added layer of security for your logins. This multi-factor authentication process is a fantastic way to ensure that your data remains protected while still allowing you quick and convenient access. If you have any additional questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy securing your Salesforce experience.